Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a YouTube video using OpenAI's GPT. In this video, we will be exploring the steps to create a unique and engaging video with the help of OpenAI's state-of-the-art language model. The first step is to sign up for OpenAI's GPT-3 API, which will give you access to their powerful language model. You can sign up for the API at openai.com. Next, you need to choose a topic for your video. This can be anything you like, but it should be something that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Once you have chosen your topic, you need to create a script for your video. You can use OpenAI's GPT-3 API to generate a draft of your script. Simply provide the API with your topic and let it do the rest. Next, you need to edit your script to ensure that it is clear, concise, and engaging. You may also want to add some humor or personal anecdotes to make your video more entertaining. Now that you have a script, it's time to create your video. You can use a video editing software such as Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or Clipchamp to edit your footage. When creating your video, be sure to include images, graphics, and other visual elements that complement your script. This will make your video more engaging and help to keep your audience interested. Finally, you need to upload your video to YouTube. Make sure to optimize your video for search engines by using keywords in the title, description, and tags. You may also want to add closed captions to make your video accessible to a wider audience. And there you have it. With the help of OpenAI's GPT-3 API, you now have the tools to create a unique and engaging video for your YouTube channel. Happy filming!